Or hey, y'all, when you eat at Olive Garden, sometimes you might take home an extra breadstick. You can eat it, or if you don't have a chance to eat it, you can make, you know, if you just have a few, you can make a little Jenga game. Or if you have more than a few, you can build yourself a big Jenga tower. Patrick, care to play Jenga with me?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Who goes first?
You.
Okay, this is really hard. They're not Jenga.
So we've got 15 levels, so we've got 45 breadsticks on the big one.
This is going to be
But
hard.
the little one, all you need is about a dozen.
Good.
Oh, that was good. Let me see what I can do here. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
None of them seem stable.
You know, breadstick Jenga seems a little less stable than regular Jenga.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, all right. Now. All right, buddy, your turn. Wow.
This one seems easy.
Whoa! Now, Patrick, you get to eat all these breadsticks.
No way.
Oh, well.